Alright guys, today I'm going to make a encrusted boneless thighs with Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. Okay, so I got my boneless thighs here, and I got my little mixing, little food processor here. Alright, so let's get started. So now what I'm going to do is first, on this little thing here, I'm going to put some fresh Parmesan cheese. Okay. Right, let's chop up a little bit of this parsley. Okay. Just throw it in there. Okay. A little salt. A little pepper. Okay. Just those simple ingredients, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is just gonna mix it up just a little bit. Okay. Just gonna add lemon zest, about half a lemon, okay? Alright, do this a little bit more. Okay. Plain breadcrumb. The reason why I'm using plain breadcrumb is because I'm going to add my own seasoning to it. Okay? So I'm going to do like maybe half a cup of that. Okay? So now I'm just going to go and take a little sample out of here because I want to show you a little demonstration of why I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to set this to the side, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit at a time. I'm going to start with about 2 tablespoons, okay? So what I want to do is I want to make it moist, but not too moist. I don't want to overdo it, okay? Test it. Right, just a little bit more, probably maybe another tablespoon of it. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so now this is gonna be my breading for my chicken. Okay, so now if you look at this one here, it's nice and grainy. Okay, no matter what I do with my fingers, it's just gonna fall apart because it's dry and grainy. This one has a little bit of moisture to it because it has the olive oil in it. See, but what I want to do is I want to still keep it moist, but I still want to keep it flaky. If I add more olive oil to it, what's going to happen is that when I grab it, I can actually make a little ball to it. And that's what I don't want. I don't want that texture. I want this nice, moist texture, but yet flaky. Okay? So we're going to set this to the side. So now what I'm going to do is just going to make my simple egg wash here. Just give me a second. Okay. Just a little mix here. So again, I'm just gonna go with a little bit of salt. Okay, some pepper. Okay, and I'm just going to add some lemon juice to it. Okay, not too much. Just to give it a nice little lemon flavor. Okay. So I'm just gonna set this to the side because I'm gonna go right back to my mixture, okay? So now, this is just a simple ingredients, like I said, the cheese, okay, the breadcrumb, the fresh parsley, a little bit of the lemon zest, and olive oil. You could go with that, stay with that. It's nice and fresh. It's got great ingredients, but I'm going to kick it up a notch. So I'm actually going to add some fresh thyme to it, okay, and some fresh dill, okay. Just a little piece, not too much. Don't want to overpower it, okay. Just break it up a little bit. Throw it in there, okay. And I want to add some more lemon zest to it, okay. Alright, so nice little mixture. Okay. Now let me just set up my table and I'll be right back. Alright, so now like I said, I got my chicken, I got my eggs, and I got this parsley and cheese mixture with the breadcrumb. Okay, so I'm just gonna do just a simple breading. Anyone could do this. Okay, just make sure you get your fill of it. Okay, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna look vibrant. Right, just put it right on a rack. All right, I'm gonna do a few of these just like this, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, guys, it's already fully encrusted. All right, all the way around. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll show you the end results. I'll be right back. All right, guys, to serve with my chicken, I'm gonna do some broccoli. All right, so this has been boiling for 3 minutes. Okay, make sure that the water is actually boiling before you put the broccoli in there. All right, so what we want to do is you're gonna drain it real quick. You can put it straight into an ice bath. Okay, and by doing that, you're automatically stopping the cooking process. And by stopping the cooking process, your broccoli will not come out mushy. It'll stay crispy. And then you can actually saute it later. Just have it as it is with some butter, whatever it is, okay? But this is how I do it, okay? Straight into an ice bath, stop the cooking process, and keep that crispiness to the broccoli. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is actually how it's gonna look, okay? Nice and crispy, fresh color. You can see all the parsley, you can still see the cheese, you can still see the breadcrumb. All right, attached to the chicken, nice and tender. Now I'm gonna start with my plating, okay? So first I'm gonna take the broccoli that I had. Just gonna throw it in here real quick. I'm just gonna saute it real quick with a little bit of olive oil, just to give it some flavor. If it won't be dry, it's nice and crispy. All right, so it won't do any damage. All right, just a little bit of lemon, okay. All right, let me just switch this up a little bit. Okay, I'm not gonna overdo it. Tiny bit of Italian seasoning. Oh. Okay. Good. Alright, nice colors. Alright, so now I got plate. Take my lemon. Let me just. Okay. Just get that just a little bit. Just add my little salad here. Just gonna take on an angle the chicken. Okay. Couple pieces of pimento. Okay. A few broccolis right there. Few shaves of Parmesan cheese just on top. Okay. A little bit. Let me take this one here. A little bit more lemon juice here of the chicken. Okay. Around the broccoli. Okay. Actually set. Alright guys, here you go. Alright. This is crusted boneless chicken thighs with Parmesan, parsley, and some broccoli on the side. Okay? Bon appetit.